Good boy. Polite. Being polite and minding your own business while other dogs are around eating their own Kongs. There we go. There's also something that I taught them as puppies, that having other dogs around when you have a Kong to chew or Kong to eat is no big deal. You each get to enjoy your own. I also find that having little mats for them, or places that mark a boundary on where they need to keep their Kongs while they're eating, is really helps them out to know where to stay so they don't bug each other. Hey, little girlfriend. And again, it's no big deal if I grab it. I can hold it and she could just lick it out. So having a human around is no big deal because I help you out, hey? Hey, I just hold it for you. There you go. You have a big mouth, Mr. Boo Boo Bear. Ouch. Thanks, man. So I said ouch because his mouth touched my hand. Take it. And he backed off and he started licking. Little Mr. George, you're just so cute. Get it for George. Hey, honey. There you go. And he just keeps on licking. So human around just helps them get their stuff out of their Kong or holds their Kong for them. It's never a confrontation because we're just here to help them out. Help them dig out some of their Kong. So, there you go. Here you go, Georgie. This is a little tiny piece I got out for you. There we go.